Hi, I'm just going to do a quick video on this website I've been using recently. It's called Cointiply and it's a rewards platform which pays you in cryptocurrency. Now don't be under any illusions that you will become rich and be able to give up your job to do this. But if you spend a lot of time online or on your phone, why not spend some of it in here and make a small second income? If you click my referral link in the description, this is the page it will take you to. There's a bonus offer being run just now. If you sign up within 5 minutes of opening the page, your account gets allocated with 1000 coins. So this is the dashboard where you start all of your earnings from. Top right is where your account balances are, shown in coins, US dollar and Bitcoin. 100 coins equal to 1 cent, so 10,000 coins is equal to $1. Below that is your username with drop-down options to access account settings and contact help and support. The level of support on the site is very good. If you have an Android phone, you definitely want to install the Cointiply app from the Play Store. It is ideal for viewing videos, push-to-click ads and for doing the Faucet when on the go. Click this box to enter the moderated chat. You do not earn any coins from messaging in the chat. Now you have entered the chat, you can qualify for the rain pool. Start the process by clicking this button. Now you have to do at least one offer, survey or push-to-click ad to qualify. The more coins you earn, the higher your rain share will be. The water drop icon starts off empty and when it is full it will start to rain, giving you a percentage of the pool in coins afterwards. Notice that the rain pool icon has now turned green, confirming qualification for the next round. The animation you can see is the rain pool activating water droplets coming down from the side. Inside the Earn Coins toolbar is where you access all your earnings from. The surveys can be big pairs, but can take some time to complete. If you follow Cointiply on Twitter, they provide promotional codes which you can enter in here for bonus coins into your account. This is the Multiplier. It is gambling, so you can make some big gains, but also huge losses. You are presented with 11 different targets and must select the ones with a red gem cluster revealed to win or a black gem cluster to lose. That's a winner. There is a lengthy delay to opening the target, but I think that is to increase the tension. And double my money. And lost it all. Back to the dashboard now. Earn coins. Faucet. So in here you roll the faucet to try and get a higher number as possible. If you roll 99,999, that wins the jackpot, which is currently over 416,000 coins, which is equal to $41. Press this button to roll. There is a captcha requirement to prove that you're human. The faucet will now start a countdown timer lasting for 60 minutes, after which you can come back to have another try. Down here shows your loyalty bonus history. If you can remember to log in once a day, a bonus is applied for every faucet roll for that day. It goes up to a maximum of 100%, but if you forget to log in one day, it will reset back to 0. If it was not for the Android app, I would never have reached 61%. This section shows the amount of users you have referred to Cointiply. For each referred user, you receive 25% of all their faucet claims, plus 10% of all offer payments. Click this box when you're ready to make a withdrawal. You need to earn at least 30,000 coins to withdraw $3 worth of DOGE, Dash or Litecoin, or 50,000 coins, $5 to withdraw Bitcoin. I have already withdrawn 0.03 Bitcoin, which is about £100 at today's price. The Bitcoin is in my external Coinbase wallet, which was a straightforward process linking with the site. The bulk of all my earnings came from doing surveys and featured offers. I may do a follow-up video to this, showing what offers were completed to make my level jump to 72 within a few weeks. Thanks for watching to the end. Click the link in the description and try Cointiply for yourself.